What's going on, family? This is Garrett Brown Art Studios, and I'm back with another video. Guess what? Today I am doing a challenge collaboration with Emalex Creations, and I'm super excited. We are going to do a big swipe. Um, we decided on doing like a rainbow, so we're going to jump right in. Go ahead and check her out and make sure you check out her video. I'm going to link it below, and I hope you enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, these are my colors for today, and I will go through each color shortly in the video. I start out adding 2 parts pouring medium, which is Floetrol in this case, to my paints to mix them up so that the paints have more of a fluid consistency. And then I add another 2 parts of Floetrol. And so mixing it this way also helps to eliminate chunks of paint because you're introducing a much thinner fluid to it slowly instead of all at once. So it just makes the mixing so much easier. All right, so these are all my colors that I'm using today, various brands. So I just wanted to show you. And we're going to go ahead and clear off our table and put our canvas down. Let's get these paints out the way. And we're set. Before we pour, this is my black. I have made it a little bit thinner than my colors. And this will be my swipe color for the rainbow. Right, so I'm going to pour my red first. I always like to leave a little bit of the first color out in the event I need some for covering. So we're just going to pour. Not really necessary, but I just enjoy doing it on these larger canvases. Just a quick torch to get the air bubbles out. Next, we're gonna add our black. I need to change the orientation of this to make it easier for me to swipe. All right, I'm pretty excited There's going to be a little bit of a margin on each side because my paper towel isn't quite long enough, but we will fix it and it will be okay. Everybody has their own way of doing it. A lot of people wet their paper towel. I don't like that method. I like mine to start out dry, and then I'm just swipe. And we have some really big cells. And now we're going to do some tilting. And I think that that is enough. I don't want my cells to get too wonky, and I like the composition as it is. Despite the green really showing up a lot, I like what I have. So I think we are going to call this one complete. All right, let's get you guys in for a final close-up. These colors are super vibrant. I love that. Big old juicy cells. So I had a really good time doing this collab. I don't typically do a lot of rainbow kind of pours, but I really enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Emalex Creations. The link is in the description below. As always, family, remember, do everything with love. I hope you are having a wonderful day. I got a couple more collaborations in the works, so this is just an amazing kickoff to more great things to come. If you need to reach me, you can always email me, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.